it's something like a Monday or maybe like a Tuesday. Really? I don't even know. Yeah, I went and tried to tell her that I love her, and she told me you can find your way to the friend zone. It's whatever. I don't even care anymore. I just really want to be alone. My best friend keep on blowing up my phone trying to ask me if I'm good, man. What do you think? I mean, really, if I'm trying to be real, then I already know what it is. The best thing you could ever want to wish for at the best time of the year. National Friends Day. I'm as green as I wanna be, cruising through the late night shifts on a jet ski, blowing smoke out my head. It's fine, I don't even know the time, I don't really know the feel. She don't even know what's up, told her tell me how you really feel, but she don't really give a damn. Still told me take her hand, why we even turning up? You remember what the day is? Yeah, it's National Friends Day, yeah. National F-R-I-E-N-D-S, National Friends Day, yeah. Is it really who we are? Is it really who I am? Is it really who you? Is it really about the green squares dumb? I don't even wanna talk, I don't even wanna text. I just really want your best, something more but nothing less. All the stuff come from the chest, so I keep a vest on, trying to keep me in the zone. Man, I feel so home alone, so my heart is hella broken, but I swear I play it cool. Love the party, love the function, swear I'm looking like a fool. Well, whatever, I'ma do my